Well, this is very important. If you are not here, you are missing a very nice exhibition. I can share with you, but you must look with your eyes what is happening around you. Well, I'm absolutely impressed. This event is amazing, super active. I found a lot of super prepared dentists asking me, even in the lecture, a lot of interesting questions. It means that anyway, they are super prepared and looking for things that they probably can find in this kind of situations. Well, it's even difficult when I'm lecturing to give new ideas, because dentists are absolutely prepared, especially in implantology. They are knowing everything that is happening in the world, but very often quite commercially. So what I try to do is to give some new tips, because we know what happens when we put the implants and when we put the prosthesis, our patient is happy, but millions of things happen during the period after our job. So problems getting out from the implants we place are now much more important. We know they happen, we know they are even quite dangerous, but now we have plenty of new ideas, plenty of new solutions, even simple solutions that can block them. So I try to give some ideas. Well, when I received this invitation, I was, wow, this is one of my favorite cities in the world, so I was super happy to come here. It's always a pleasure. Even from Italy is well connected with a lot of similarities, even the colors of the flag. then it's a very amazing city. The location even of the place is, like I told before, amazing, because when such a situation can attract so many dentists, can attract so many even lecturers and doing so many things in so many fields, it's because the science is here and even the market is here, where we can find whatever we need, like a dentist. Still not, but I was already going around to find things that I need for my clinic, and I already saw many interesting things. Well, this is very important. If you are not here, you are missing a very nice exhibition. I can share with you, but you must look with your eyes what is happening around you. And sometimes some Italians are coming even to lecture, so it can be even a good idea to come. But come, if not this year, next year.